Signs are that things will change, particularly in the south. We keep the wind and we start to inherit thicker cloud and the risk of some rain. But the increased cloud overnight will at least limit the frost risk and limit it to Scotland. Here we keep the clearer skies and the lighter winds and the best of tomorrow's sunshine once the early morning fog clears away. But for many of us it might appear quite grey first thing, but don't worry, the sun's quite strong at this time of year, so it will get to work quite quickly. The cloud will lift and break and we'll see some sunshine. Most of us will at least, but there'll be quite a bit of high cloud coming and going across southern counties of England, and even the odd spot of rain for the Channel Islands and the far southwest of England, particularly early and late in the day. And given that the wind will be strengthening further, it's been a windy day already in the south today, it'll be windier tomorrow and the wind strength will increase further north. I think it will, for most of us, feel fresher despite the sunshine, perhaps the warmest weather in the far north. And with high pressure ruling the roost here through the weekend, at least the first part, there'll be plenty more of that to come. But in the south we keep the wind and our weather front creeps further in. That's the weather front bringing the rain later in the day to Devon and Cornwall. Now it looks as if it'll mostly affect the M4 corridor southwards. Certainly not a washout this weekend, but there will be some heavy outbreaks of rain and quite a chilly easterly wind. The best of the sunshine, as I mentioned earlier, further north. But even here in the far north of Scotland we start to see the cloud thickening later on Sunday. The next change, you think that easterly wind's cold, we're back to a northerly on Monday. Bye bye.